All right, it's about time I start busting out some more economical fragrances now that we're getting into the Christmas. I have my Christmas spirit going on, so let's go ahead and roll the music.
I finally found what I'm missing, and now you got all my attention. Driving me wild, got me wishing that you were all mine. You're irresistible, so refreshing. You're irresistible. I can feel your energy all over me. Close my eyes and I breathe in. You're irresistible.
Welcome back to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. I'm your host, Cam. Make sure that you're subscribed, activate that notifications bell, follow us on Instagram at cam.byrd, and come hang out with us in our Facebook group, CFR Fragrance Lounge. Today we're going over a classy package that is not going to break the bank. It's BVLGARI Man in Black. Whether it's Dale Earnhardt, Johnny Cash, Will Smith, or Tommy Lee Jones, there's a lot of men in black. But this one is definitely suitable for a black tie affair or date night. Man in Black is classified as an oriental floral, but to me it's like a spicy woody fragrance with some nice balance with some tonka and leather. The presentation on Man in Black are two of my favorite colors matched up together, black and gold. You got your matte black finish here, you got the shiny here, and then you got your cool little top that you can twist and turn your atomizer off in case you're throwing that in your luggage to go take a trip. This fragrance is slightly sweet, but it's definitely got that spiciness, it's got the booziness. You can definitely pick up some tonka in there and the leather. And the dry down is where you really start picking up that leather, and the spicy woodiness stays throughout. The tuberose in there is also present, but it's not overly dominant. Even though this fragrance does have iris in it, it's not like overkill of powder. It's nicely blended enough to where it doesn't kill you or choke you out like a heavy presence of iris would do in some fragrances. Ladies absolutely love this fragrance. Compliments, compliments, compliments. It's very sexy, it's elegant, and then price-wise, you can't beat it. You're looking at around $40 for the 2 ounce or around $52 for the 3.4. And of course at full retail, you're gonna pay around $80. But if you're not familiar with like places like Fragrance X, Fragrance Net, Lucky Scent, all these places, go somewhere like that, even eBay, you can probably find a super cheap deal on this bad boy right here. As far as versatility goes, yes, this is definitely a fragrance that you could wear at work. You could definitely wear it on date night. This is probably a fragrance I would say lean more for fall and winter. You could probably get away with it like at a black tie affair, like a wedding or whatever in the springtime, and still, you know, workplace friendly in the spring also. I would say this is a little too thick to be rocking in the summertime in the high heat. Just my opinion. On performance, I got about 3 hours of a scent bubble, and longevity was pushing about 10 hours. For 40 or 50 bucks, that's not bad at all. You're talking about 10 plus hours on a fragrance like this. This would make a great gift for probably, I would say, a more mature person, somebody in their late 20s on up, you know, to somebody like your dad, older brother. Definitely would make a super nice gift for Christmas. Or you could just gift yourself and save some coin and not have to spend so much on a $200 or $300 fragrance. I did feature this fragrance in part 1 of top fragrances for fall. There was a couple people down in the comments that were talking about how happy they were to see this fragrance in that lineup. So I just wanted to go ahead and do a full review on it. Let's go over the notes. Man in Black was released in 2014. The notes are rum, cardamom, cinnamon, tuberose, iris, leather, benzoin, tonka bean, guyak wood, and amber. I've had a few people in the comments that have also been telling me like, Cam, you're killing me, dude. You're turning me on all these expensive fragrances. I do want to just let you guys know that I am down with the designers, and I'm down with saving you guys money. If I can find you a good deal on some niche stuff, I'm gonna sling that at you. If I can find some cheap indies, I'm gonna sling that at you. But I do wanna help you save some money. Christmas is on the way, so I've gotta do my due diligence to help you guys save some coin. That's gonna wrap it up for BVLGARI Man in Black. Remember, whatever you do, be disruptive, wear what you want, when you want, have fun. Subscribe to Carolina Fragrance Reviews, activate that notifications bell, smash that like button, leave us some comments down below. We'll see you next time on Carolina Fragrance Reviews. Christmas is right around the corner. Some of us